everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine and I make videos all about slip of life, organization, and just plain lifestyle videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. So today's another weekly slip of vlog. I'm doing all in homes today. Today's Monday. I'm doing all in homes. It's also Valentine's Day, so that's pretty exciting. I'm single this year, so I booked an appointment to get my nails done because I've been wanting to get my nails done for the longest time already, and I'm gonna go get that done today at 4:30. I'm done today at 12:15. I only have 3 sessions today. Usually I have 4. I'm not going in the clinic at all today. Like I said, I only have 3 sessions today, and then I'm done, and then I have my nail appointment, and then that should be it. I'm gonna come back home. I'll probably stop by the grocery store, get myself some wine, put on a video, and just relax for the rest of the day, and then just go to sleep and go to work the next day. It's already 9 o'clock, so I have to go do my in-home, and I'm gonna be in here for about 2 hours because they're twins. So I'm gonna be in here for about 2 hours. I'll be working with one twin, but both of them are gonna be there anyways. So I'll just be working with one, and then I'll work with the other one. So I'll be in there for a really long time. And then after that, I have another in-home, and then I should be done for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and do my therapy, and I will update you guys when I come back. Hi everyone, so I'm back in my car. The mom had to leave early because she had to go to her job, so I ended the session just a little bit earlier than I usually do, but because it was both twins, I didn't really mind it as much, and you know, she had somewhere to be, so you know, it's fine. I'm still getting paid for both of them, and I did work with both of the kids. It's just one of them had to be cut a little bit shorter than the other one. But as of right now, I have about a lot of time. I want to say like maybe 40 minutes before I have to go to my next appointment. I don't really have anywhere to be. I'm not hungry. I forgot my Switch, so I don't have it in the car. I may just, I don't know, talk on the phone with my best friend and just have a conversation with her, basically. The point with therapy, and what they always tell us, is that you have to work, you know, numbers, letters are nice to learn. However, because these kids are nonverbal, because they're not speaking at all, the words that they can use on a daily basis is more important than learning, you know, the color of something. So that's what we do as therapists. We work more on what are words that we use every single day, like hello, good night, eat, good morning, more, drink, things of that sort. Just being able to communicate just the basic needs that every kid will request every single day. You know, everyone gets thirsty, everyone gets hungry, everyone wants more of something. Alrighty, let's get it going. Hey guys, so I am back in my car. I just finished my last session. I'm gonna go pick up Ian, and then I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm not really hungry right now, but I'm gonna go have lunch regardless. It's freaking hot and I'm wearing a sweater, but I don't want to take it off and stuff. But the session went really good. The mom thought I was 18 years old, and I was like, no, I'm 25. And she was like, oh yeah, like I called the office, and I was like, oh yeah, that little girl that comes, I think she's like fresh out of high school or something. And I'm like, I wish I was fresh out of high school doing my job. Like, it took me 6 years to get where I was. Like, I went through 6 years of schooling to get to where I was. I was like, I'm 25 years old, not 18, but I appreciate the compliment. Today is Tuesday. It's the next day, and I'm getting ready right now for work. I have about like 20 more minutes before I have to leave. Well, actually 10 more minutes before I have to leave. I'm just getting all my last stuff ready. I just finished doing my makeup. I just need to grab some toys that I need to take, and I'm gonna see if I can print off some stuff at the office, and if I can't, then I can't. But I'm gonna try to print some stuff off at the office. What else? I think that should be it. I just need to grab all my stuff ready to go. I need to change because obviously I'm not gonna go in my workout clothes. I didn't work out at all just because I was thinking like, oh, I don't think I have enough time because I want to get ready and stuff. So, and I didn't have enough time, but I did get my nails done. I got them done yesterday. At first I didn't like them, but I think they're growing on me now. So, okay, I'm just gonna grab my stuff, ready to go. I drank some wine too yesterday, you know, for Valentine's Day. I did some self-love. So anyways, I'm gonna grab all my stuff that I need to do, and then I'll see you guys in the car. Hey everyone, so I'm in the car. I totally forgot what to show you what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this jean jacket, this body piece that I bought at downtown LA. That's kind of itchy, but it's okay. I'll try to deal with it because I paid $5 for it, so I'm gonna fucking wear it. And then my black jeans. I'm on my way to work. I'm out of breath because I had to run inside because I almost forgot my Switch that I like to play during my breaks and stuff, or like whenever I have free time in between sessions and stuff. I like to play with it just because I'm not using social media right now, so I have something to do while I'm waiting for my next session. I have my toys, so I grabbed some trains that some Ian's trains. What else did I do? Oh, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go head off to work. It's about 8:30 right now, so I should be there just in time. So let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it.
Okay, so I just finished my first session for the day. I have about like 14 more minutes until my next session. This one went really good. So I have to prep for the next one. I've seen her also online for the past few days. This will be my first time seeing her in person. So, and the mom's pretty on it when it comes to like her therapy and stuff. So I want to make sure that I have, everything ready to go, and I'm hitting her goals and whatnot. So it's pretty, yeah. And then the next one, I only saw her once in the online, and she barely ever logs on. So I don't know if she's gonna come in person or not. If not, then I get to take my break really early, and I don't have to come back until 2. So yeah, after the next one, I finish at 11. So if the next client doesn't come in, I'm free to go, and I don't have to come back till 2. So I'll probably just like go home and just chill at home and stuff. I'm off today at 7. What else? That's about it. My client that I just had, expanding utterances. We were working on like I want object, but I'm gonna prep for my next client, and then I will check back in with you guys next. As expected, I knew the next client wasn't gonna come, so right now I'm gonna go have lunch. I have about 2 hours, and then I can come back and finish off my stuff. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I don't know, I'm not really that hungry. I'll probably go home. I'm not quite sure. I actually have about like 3 hours. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what I do. Hey everyone, so I'm back from break. I ended up going to Marshall's, and I bought some stuff that I needed. So I got that done this week, today. So I just wanted to show you guys what it is that, my little worksheets that I have for the kiddos for today. I'm gonna turn you guys around and I'm gonna show you. So the kid that I have next, he, she, and verbing. So I have 2 pages of that. I also have some cards that have to do with verbs, so we're gonna be working on that today. And then I have some reward tokens that I'll be using to keep them on track. I have another kiddo that's going to be working on prepositional phrases and whatnot. This isn't exactly prepositional phrases, but it is like following directions. So I think maybe if I say like, oh, color the beanbag behind the first one, or color the desk that's in front, just, you know, changing up the steps. The only thing is I forgot crayons, so I could just have him like circle it for now rather than just color it. and we'll just do that, I guess. So that's what I have so far. I have my next client right now at 2, so I'm gonna go check to see if they're here. Let's see. It's the end of the workday. I like beat. I don't know what's in my eye, but it's bothering me so much right now. I'm gonna start packing up my little cube that I have all my toys in, because tomorrow's gonna be a super early day. I start at 8:30 tomorrow, which is insane because I pick up Ian. I drop off Ian from school at 7:30, and where I have to be is about like 20 minutes away. So as soon as I drop him off, I have to go straight to my job, basically. So I have to wake up even earlier tomorrow to get ready. And then basically just, that's gonna be it tomorrow. I think tomorrow I have a short lunch tomorrow too. I don't even want to think about it. I have a short lunch tomorrow too from where I need to be. That's like 15 minutes away from work. I have like a 30-minute break. For whatever reason, they gave me a 30-minute break, and I'm supposed to be getting a hour lunch. So I don't know, I need to message someone about that, because that's kind of annoying, because I have to drive 15 minutes away from work, and then I have like a 30-minute break, but it's not even my full 30 minutes because I have to be back in the clinic right before the clients. I don't know, like it's all really annoying. But anyways, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have me some tacos, and that is it for today. So
Losing time, I'm